Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on the Xbox app. First, download the free Xbox app onto your mobile device or PC. You'll need a strong, stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, to ensure smooth gameplay without lag. Once installed, open the app and sign in using your Microsoft account. This account should be the same one you use for your Xbox console, linking your progress and friends seamlessly. This initial setup takes just a few moments. Next, you'll want to connect your Xbox wireless controller to your device. This is crucial for an authentic Fortnite experience, as touch controls can be challenging. Go to your device's Bluetooth settings and pair your controller. Hold the pairing button on your controller until the Xbox button flashes, then select it from your device's available Bluetooth devices. A solid light on the Xbox button indicates a successful connection, ready for action. Now that your controller is connected, open the Xbox app and look for the Cloud Gaming section. You'll find Fortnite listed among the available games. Select Fortnite, and the game will begin streaming directly to your device. Remember, Fortnite is one of the free-to-play titles offered through Xbox Cloud Gaming, meaning you don't need an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription to play it. Just click and jump into the Battle Royale. You're all set to play Fortnite. Once in the game, take a moment to adjust your settings, like controller sensitivity, to match your playstyle. For longer gaming sessions, keep your device charged or plugged in to avoid interruptions. Consider using a headset for clear communication with your teammates, which is vital for securing a victory royale. Enjoy the vibrant world and exciting challenges Fortnite offers, all streamed conveniently through your Xbox app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.